At first, you start by searching for your resources to be used in the design. Note it takes time, but it becomes faster when you already have the concept in your head. Also, mind you, it is important for you to use high-quality resources if you want your design to stand out and to look beautiful. After you are done with downloading all necessary resources, you head over to Photoshop to start designing. In my design, I used 2000 pixels by 2000 pixels and 300 resolution. I start by importing all my downloaded resources into my canvas. By selecting all and dragging into the canvas, so I start with my background, because that is the base where all my design will sit. For me, that is the most important. But before that, I will have to set my guide layout. I like to use 3x3 grid for my guideline. Use the rectangle tool to draw a rectangle. Then power clip by pressing Alt plus left click into the torn paper. Do same thing with the image into the rectangle you created. Then change the blend mode to overlay and change the rectangle color to blue. Now to the drum, I will go to Filter, then Camera Raw, and do some settings to blend it with the overall design. Then add exposure and invert it by pressing Ctrl plus I so you turn on your brush tool and blend the part you want. Make sure the color is set to white. Now I add my text, change the font to be used. You can then follow through till the end. It is fine to go back and forth in your design because every artwork goes through different try and error until you find one that fit in. So in this design, you will see how I will be going back and front. Before getting the desired output, I believe is fine. Ensure you subscribe for more interesting videos like this. Remember, we rise by lifting others.